Kids love ice cream, but parents hate it. Why is it so? Let us see in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, health related, nutrition related explanations are given via videos which are released every week. If you want to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any queries, kindly mention it in the comments below. I'll try to answer them in subsequent videos. Today's video is about ice cream, their health, status. Are they harmful? Are they beneficial? What is the scientific truth behind it? We all know, kids do love ice cream, and many of us, parents also love them. But we are worried that they may be the cause of diseases. So what are our beliefs regarding ice creams? Ice creams cause cold. This is a very common belief, especially in India. What is the truth behind this? We know common cold is caused by viruses and bacteria. So ice creams don't cause it. But even the people who know this fact say, no, by eating ice cream, my cold gets worsened or my throat becomes stuffy. Is it true? Let us just understand this fact. Whenever your tonsil is removed or you have a throat ache, ice cold substances will numb that area and will in fact be beneficial. So how can eating ice cream aggravate your throat pain? So it is not possible. In fact, most of the Western countries, eating these ice cubes or soaking these ice cubes can be of help and is prescribed during sore throats. So getting a cold or sore throat is not a problem due to the ice cream. It is due to virus and bacteria. We need to follow our hand hygiene and cough hygiene as we do for any other respiratory tract infection. So ice creams do not cause cold. Okay. What is the other problem? Ice creams can cause cavities. Ice creams can cause dental problems. Yes, any sugary substances taken in excess, especially if it stays in the oral cavity, can lead to dental caries and cavities. But think about this. Which will stick in the mouth and the oral cavity? A candy or a chocolate or an ice cream? If you swallow it properly, an ice cream is less likely to stick in the oral cavity for long. A candy or chocolate is going to stay there longer. So this exclusive blame on the ice cream alone is not needed. Any sugary substances taken in excess, even including our rice, if not cleaned properly after the meal, this can lead to bacterial growth and cavity formation. And the third thing is regarding if you eat ice creams, you will put on more weight. This is not specifically related to the ice cream. If you eat any high calorie substance, that will lead to weight gain. So if taken in moderation, this should not be a problem even for ice creams. Okay. So all rosy it seems. So we can all have ice cream. They don't have any problems, is it? No. For any foodstuff, this is not black and white. We need to assess both the benefits as well as the risks. So what are the problems associated with eating ice creams? Ice cream is a dairy product. We know that. And the milk from which an ice cream is made is usually pasteurized so that the pathogenic bacteria are killed, but this needs a proper cold chain, that is from the site of manufacture till you consume it. This needs to be maintained at the proper temperature. If this is not maintained, this will lead to bacterial overgrowth and infection in the person who consumes it. So mostly it is not related to the cold causing bacteria, but stomach and gut related ailments like loose stools and other gut related infections can happen if you eat an ice cream where the cold chain was not maintained properly. What about these commercial preparations? They may contain preservatives. Yes, any of the commercial preparations bought from stores may contain preservative. This is not only true for ice creams, this is common for any foodstuff which you take off the shelf. So that is a general risk with any foodstuff which you need to bear in mind. Do ice creams have any health benefit at all? Certainly, they are made from milk and cream, so they are a source of calcium and vitamins, so which you get from milk. So these can be the sources of vitamins and calcium. So yes, instead of blaming the ice cream unnecessarily, if taken in moderation, we all can have an indulgence of ice cream occasionally, including kids. So it's not a taboo food, but yes, like any other foodstuff, this should not be taken in excess. Hopefully, this video would have cleared the confusion regarding ice creams. If you like this video, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.